My mission is to preach the philosophy of Lord Chaitanya.
Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine. Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pasyat Deshitarine. Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita